Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make tin fish curry in Bhutanese style. This flavorful dish combines simple ingredients for a truly unique taste. We'll start by gathering our core components: 1 can of your favorite tin fish, 2 medium onions, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Don't forget 3 to 5 green chilies for that authentic Bhutanese kick, plus 1 large tomato, 2 tablespoons of oil, and fresh cilantro for garnish. We'll also use 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, and coriander powder. Now, let's build the aromatic foundation for our curry. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your 2 thinly sliced onions, cooking them gently until they become translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the 3 minced garlic cloves and the 2-inch piece of grated ginger. Sauté these for another 2 to 3 minutes until their wonderful fragrance fills your kitchen. Finally, add your chopped green chilies, adjusting the quantity to your preferred spice level. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to bring in the main flavors. Add your 1 diced large tomato to the pan and cook until it softens, which should take about 3 minutes. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, and coriander powder, ensuring everything is well combined. Now, gently add the tin fish, including any sauce from the can, to the mixture. Let the curry simmer for 8 to 10 minutes over low heat, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld beautifully. Our Bhutanese tin fish curry is almost ready. Before serving, taste and adjust the salt if needed. Then, generously garnish your curry with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro, adding a burst of freshness. This vibrant, spicy, and comforting dish is best served hot, alongside a steaming plate of rice. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying meal that brings the unique flavors of Bhutanese cuisine right to your table. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.